The Boy with a Dream. In a small, dusty village nestled between the hills lived a boy named Arun. Arun was a humble and kind-hearted boy who lived with his mother in a tiny one-room house. His father had passed away when he was very young, and his mother worked as a cleaner in the village to support them. They didn't have much, just a few clothes and some old furniture, but they had each other. Arun loved school, even though it wasn't easy for him to attend. Most days, he walked miles barefoot along rocky paths just to reach the small school on the outskirts of the village. His clothes were often torn, and he carried his books in a tattered old bag that had seen better days. While many children his age spent their time playing and having fun, Arun was determined to study and change his life. Despite his difficult circumstances, Arun had a dream. He wanted to become a doctor. He had seen how people in his village suffered without proper medical care. His mother had often fallen sick, and there was no doctor nearby to help her. Arun believed that if he worked hard enough, he could one day become the person who would bring help and hope to the people of his village. At school, Arun was one of the brightest students. His teachers admired his dedication, and even though they knew he didn't have much, they always encouraged him to keep going. Very day after school, Arun would come home and help his mother with her work. He would sweep floors, wash dishes, and do whatever he could to lighten her load. Late at night, by the dim light of a small oil lamp, he would study for hours, reading and rereading his school books. One day, the village held an event where a wealthy businessman from the city visited. The businessman, Mr. Sharma, was impressed by Arun's determination when he heard about his story from one of the teachers. He saw something special in the boy's eyes, a hunger to learn and a fire that couldn't be extinguished by poverty. After speaking to Arjun, Mr. Sharma made a decision that would change the boy's life forever. He offered to sponsor Arjun's education and send him to a better school in the city, where he would have all the resources he needed to fulfill his dream of becoming a doctor. Arjun was overjoyed, but also humbled. He thanked Mr. Sharma and promised that he would work even harder to make his mother and his village proud. Years passed, and true to his word, Arjun worked tirelessly. He excelled in his studies and eventually went to medical school. He never forgot his roots, and when he became a doctor, the first thing he did was return to his village. There, he set up a small clinic and began offering free medical care to those who couldn't afford it. The boy who once had nothing but a dream had become a man who gave everything to help others. Arun's story inspired many, showing that no matter how hard life may seem, with determination, kindness, and a dream, anything is possible.